So, Vera's copper shows up looking like the sweet handmade jewelry shop your aunt would share on Facebook with the caption, "Support small businesses."
You serious?
The site talks about copper bracelets, rings, necklaces, free shipping, 30-day returns, and even a lifetime craftsmanship guarantee. On the surface, it feels warm, cozy, and handmade. But then the review section walks in, holding a flashlight and a lie detector. Trustpilot is where the sparkle starts falling off. Vera's copper has a poor Trustpilot score, with many customers complaining about long shipping times, bad tracking, wrong items, and confusion about where the products really come from. A lot of people say they expected handmade jewelry from Sedona, Arizona, but tracking or charges pointed toward Hong Kong or China. That's not Sedona energy. That's, "My bracelet took an international vacation before I did energy." Now, to be fair, some customers did leave positive reviews. A few said the jewelry looked nice, felt comfortable, or made a good gift. But the scary part is how mixed everything is. Some people are saying, "I love it," while others are saying, "I ordered copper and received disappointment with a tracking number." When reviews swing that hard, your checkout button should start sweating. Scam Advisor also raises concerns, giving veras-copper.com a very low trust score and pointing out things like hidden ownership, low visitor numbers, and a recently registered website. Malware Tips also lists red flags like big discounts, emotional branding, unclear company details, and review claims that are not clearly tied to independent platforms. Basically, the website is wearing a handmade apron, but the internet is asking to see the receipt.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth.
Also, if you're buying copper jewelry for joint pain or health benefits, slow down. Arthritis UK says there is no scientific or medical evidence that copper bracelets help arthritis, and studies have found copper bracelets generally ineffective for pain and stiffness. So, final verdict: Vera's copper might deliver something, but the reviews show enough red flags to make me cautious. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.